Hi, my name is Christoph. Welcome again to our channel. If you've been here before, of course, and if you've not been here before and you like our videos, don't forget to hit the bell and subscribe button and you will be notified as soon as we've got a new video coming out. Today I'm going to teach you a small video as well on how to attach one of the fenders on board of a boat. So I see a lot of people struggling, I see a lot of strange knots coming up, and I've got a little bit of a trick that might be able to help you to get this one done faster, and you don't lose your fenders on the water. So if you don't know what a fender is, this is how a fender looks like. It's a pretty big one, and we're today in the Bay of Saint-Tropez on our cap camera. It's January, beautiful time, enjoying a bit of the sun. So as well, it's a nice day for a course as well. Basically, we just finished one. All right, let me show you how that one works. Okay, attaching a fender to my boat, I want to attach it to this part of wood. So first of all, I hold it with my left hand. I'm right-handed, so I like to hold it with my left hand, and just hold it roughly on where you want to have it. Now with the right hand, I make this little loop, which makes it easy, because if I put that loop through the wood, I can easily pick it up with my thumb and pull on it. Now you see, if I pulled on it, I have got it now with my right hand. I switch over hands. I take this one with my left hand and I make this little hole around here. So I fold it again, one on the right, and now I'm turning the one on the left up, and I need to be fast pulling now. You see, I've got my little fender knot and it's not sliding away. See, I can pull on it, it's not going away. So let's do that one more. I hold it with my left hand, got my little loophole first to the right of that line, first on that side, and then I take it on the left hand side. So my loophole first on the right, I pull it with my thumb, hold it over, shift over hands, make this little hole so I can take the one on the left hand side, and I start pulling it like that, and my fender is attached. All right, let's do this one much faster. Okay, practicing much faster. Left hand again, first on the right, start pulling, hold over, again on the left, and you see, up, it's like that. My fender knot is done. All right, taking it away, you see there is this line on top. So if I pull this one with my hand up, now I take it over on the other side and I pull the other one, and I've got my fender. So let's do one attaching and releasing. Okay, I'm holding it first to the right, then to the left, attaching. Okay, up, pull, up, over, make the lull, and on the other side, attached. Releasing, picking up the one on the top, switching hands, and I've got my fender. So you see, it's not very difficult to make that one, and if you know how to make it, it's gonna be very, very easy, and you're gonna be fast. So all practice makes good skills. So and that's it. So I hope you enjoyed it. Very small video, but I hope to see you on the next one. Cheers.